keep the beans when the original beans
so you won't buy the
now I want to buy beans. Please give me beans.
Yeah, Charlie, this be Ghana breakdown, Charlie. You them all know see for Ghana. When a boys them never they disappoint, Charlie. Oh, we see your man take some with you, Charlie. You know what do hey, spam, you go bust your mind. Yo, my guy, I see for here, your man they try be smart, oh. Hey, you know one thing, he they try bail the girl, way the girl they do on yawa, but Charlie, see the kind smart move we make, it go bust your mind.
Jimmy come up from Bano.
Also, for Jimmy Frog, I will be a frog. When we Jimmy now almost no. For Jimmy Frog, bro. Hey, bro, I don't know you. I the code they get you. They do me. I'm going to join you.
Oh, sorry.
Why not cook on you? Mio. Why not cook on you? Mio. Why not cook on you? Mio. Why not cook on you? Me put out that Guru.
But we the Ghana boys, we never they disappoint, oh. Hey, my guy. I say, your man take body splash now. Spare what you take do.
Out of all the guys in Legon, what makes it different?
But I mean, I get my own private jet, you understand? So channel, where you go fish show me anything. I got my private and shit, bro. Like, you feel me? I'm my personality. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a concrete. You feel me?
You see, his personality is powerful.
Yeah, Charlie, but you never go be sad for Ghana. I swear. See the kind haircut we guys they see, Charlie.
Maybe the baby be near baby asking here. Tell them ya, me to one am tia me ya. Say me hwede be near say kraman wa America. Onti eni maami afutu onti eni papa. Na danfu ne tunefo. Okọ ware bibini a onti eni kunu na danfu ene tunefo. De na danfu atale na danfu ato no. Enu bi na obafie na onto ma na na no.
You gonna explain tire. You gonna explain.
God have mercy upon us.
Vincent start so jai bobo no. Afi mu Vincent afon. Vincent company. So kaya la first. Oh, so go for the fruit crest, so bomb pay challenge. Remember that boxer. Or just on no scapa. But now go take my money back you.
Yeah.
Hey, this on the deck. Technical school.
Hey, I swear.
Technical school. I beg any challenger. Hey, Atotech, are you there? Any challenger? The great Kobotech has done it again. Sharp. This one is a full technical school. I swear.
You, my guy, but low-key, got the price to the increase. So, hey, how boys go wanna survive?
If it's a name talk about 60 this, 80 this answer me one. Why?
Yeah, Charlie, but this Ghana with the economy hard to the standards. White man salary 10 troski made for Ghana. Hey!
But I'm a video, Kaka. We have a video. That's me, Mama.
Hey, babe, Akuffo Addo here. No, what you want something yes. Eh? Uncle Heavy, this is Akuffo Addo. So, see this man, you are too big, not stable. Live here.
What did you do to money?
What will be the morning? Because you will be the car. But then, I was there. So, who is saying, I'm social media now because I call me a mother. Then I'm on one minute. By say, you know, the CIA, and I'm who know because we are so fine. You see me fine, and the hair. As I begin work with Janano. I shall fear when you know that sound like 10 minutes. I said, serious.
So what is Obia Di Miguel and can't tell me. Would you put a number? Maybe I do what did you know.
You, my girls, for listening, the boys they try to talk, you see. If you carry yourself cheap, boys will chop you falaaa.
If you carry yourself cheap, boys will chop you falaaa.
Yeah, Charlie, but Ghana, people them a bad motivation go always make your mood. We never go to sad. Charlie, you know one thing. Some boy wedding day, see the kind gifts we they give them. Hey, yellow girl, Charlie, it could bust your mind.
Nini, well, give me a
Protocol, Uncle Sugar, you have found. Protocol, Uncle Police.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. You know you can be prosecuted for that. This man. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Hold this man in the first place. Because this case ain't not this man that has this after that. This man is not.